specific requests, and our manifesto is to make Nairobi. Your Excellency, of the Governor of Nairobi, and your vision, great city, a safe and secure city, a city where young people have jobs and prosperity, a lush and green city, and a livable and hospitable city.